Hello Maple Leaf Diaries viewers, I am Riddhi and today I'll be sharing some knowledge and queries regarding how to find work, where to find work and what are the opportunities available being a student. So before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon below so you get more notifications when I make more videos like such. Today we'll discuss how to find jobs in Canada. This video has two parts, so please follow the link below to see the second part of it. There are about 1.4 million full-time students, 250,000 part-time students, and 1.8 million new jobs created each year in Canada. Just in 2019, about 400,000 international students arrived in Canada. You all must be knowing that due to COVID-19, students can work full-time hours. That's 40 hours per week on jobs that includes all the essential businesses. The most important step to find a part-time job in Canada is making your proper Canadian resume. You will find lots of samples available online related to the resume of your field. Make sure you find the correct sample using the correct keywords for your resume related to your field where you're looking to work for. There are endless articles available along with different resume samples online which you can utilize. Apart from online, there are a few other places in Canada where someone can guide you to make your own resume as well. You can visit the career center in your college or university. You can also visit the nearest YMCA or your nearest access employment or your nearest library. There are professionals available at these places who can help you in making your resume professionally without any cost. There are also some other agencies who can help you make your resume professionally for a cost. These agencies are quite expensive. You can still look for it online if you desire so. And also update your LinkedIn profile for the job that you are looking for, which will help you make it work. There are different websites where you can look for jobs in Canada. The full PDF, where you can find the different websites where you can find jobs, is posted in the comment section below, which you can have a look at it, and it works really good. You'll find all the government and non-government websites there. Along with it, if you think it is getting difficult for you to find full-time or part-time job, you can also start working volunteering job, whichever you can think of. A volunteering job will work as an icing on the cake for your resume. You can find volunteering job from your college or university or any government or non-government organization. Most of the times you can get hired from your volunteering job depending on the situations and circumstances and how good you have built your references with your volunteering job. Most parents in Canada want their kids to work volunteering jobs along with some students and some other professionals who are studying. They also prefer to go volunteering jobs as it provides good references and the benefits to them. Let's discuss what benefits you get from the volunteering jobs in the following video. The first benefit of working volunteering job is brushing up your soft skills. In Canadian job market, most people are interviewed 80% based on their soft skills for any kind of job. Canadians believe in giving to the community. When you're coming from the other part of the world, here it is difficult to adapt these skills. These soft skills, and so volunteering job plays a big role in doing wonder to your identity. On the screen are listed some examples of the soft skills that must be brushed up. Creating references for your resume is another advantage of working volunteering jobs. You can create references on your volunteering jobs. Those will help you build your resume stronger and will help you when you're applying for your field job. So volunteering job touches your personal skills, social skills and methodological skills, which will help you improve your personality, finding a good job when you're going in the market and working in a professional environment. And those are much needed in any environment, like anywhere in the world, not just in Canada. Also, apart from the script, I would like to add that due to COVID-19, there are lots of other jobs available For students, like basic or survival jobs that are not included in the that are included in the essential businesses. Also, a lot of hospitals, volunteering, government organizations, work from home opportunities are available. They need good professionals, so you can check out the different websites that are mentioned below. I wish you all the very best for your job search assignment. And so I guess that's all for today. So, friends, today we discussed how to find jobs in Canada after the pandemic of COVID-19, especially not just in Canada and but around the world as well. There was too much information to follow, so I have made this video in two parts. Please follow the link below to watch the second part where I have discussed what are the different pathways you can follow to find a job and how can you get self-employed in Canada. Please, friends, don't do tell me how you liked my video today by commenting below, and how you landed into your dream job. Also, was this information useful to you or not? Please, 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 friends, like my video, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, as this will give you notifications whenever I make more videos like such. Your like or comment is really helpful for me, and it helps me, it gives me more motivation when I make more videos like such. Talk to you soon.